Okay, good morning, class. So today we're looking at mathematics, November 2022, paper one. Is that correct? At this point, you guys had to do this for homework already, no? Right. So let's go through a few things. The first question says, simplify. We'll start off by saying you're going to change that to multiplication. So it's 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 4. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 3 once. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice. As you can see, the 2 is in the denominator. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is. Okay. Just let me know when I'm ready to pause. Okay. The next one has a negative involved there. So we got 4 over 5 multiplied by 9 over 10 multiplied by, let's swap this around, tumble in times, going to be 10 over negative 3. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 5. 2 goes into 10 5 times. What are we left with? We left with a 2, a 9, and a 2 on top, a negative 3, and a 5 at the bottom. Not so. So 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 times 2, 36. 5 times negative 3 is negative 50. Is that correct? Did I make a mistake? Where? The cross cancel wrong. Okay, so let's go again. So it's going to be 4 over 9 multiplied by 9 over 10 multiplied by 10 over negative 3, which is correct. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 10 5 times. Oh, 3. This can actually go further, actually. So 3 goes into here 12 times and negative 5. No? So there's no mistake in cross can. I just had to go further. So 3 goes into here 3 times and here once. So it's going to be 2 times 2 is 4. It's going to be 12 over negative 5. Okay. I just had to go a step further in the initial sum. Okay. Anything else? Any confusion here? Let's go to the next question. The next one, we have 4 minus open brackets 2 times 30 divided by 5 plus 3 into negative 12 divided by 4. So you're going to give 4 minus. You must do the most in the bracket first. Not so? So actually I could do this here as well. I could have done the multiplication first. Okay, to be safer. 2 times 3 is 20 times 2 times 30 is 60 divided by 5 plus 3. What's negative divided by positive? Negative 12 divided by 4 is 3. What does this bracket stand for? Multiplication. And that's division. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Positive times negative is negative. 3 times 2 is 9. There's 4 minus. What's 12 minus 9? 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Am I moving too fast? Huh? No. Okay, so let's look at the next one. We'll first change everything to improper fractions. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15 over 4 times. 4 over 3 minus 5 over 6 plus 8, 9, 10, 11 over 4. The only time we drop this bracket is once you got one term inside the bracket. So this here I can cancel here first. Cross cancel. 3 going to 3, 1. 3 going to 5. 15 5 times and the 4's cancel. So I'm left with 5 over 1 minus. What's your LCM inside your bracket? Sorry? 12. you multiply this by 2. Multiply that by 3. So 2 times 5 is 10 plus 33. So it's 5 over 4 over 1. 5 over 1 minus 43 over 12. What's your LCM here? 12. So multiply that by 12, which gives me 60. Multiply by 1 gives you 43. What's 60 minus 43? 17 over. Don't have to change it to improper fraction. Unless they, mixed numbers. Unless they specify, it must be written as an improper fraction. Okay. Mixed number. Let's look at the next one. Number 5. 1.5, sorry. So you're going to apply the square first. So 2 squared is 4 over 3 squared is 9 minus 3 over 6 plus. Change to improper fraction. That's going to give us a 7 over 3 must be multiplied by, and determinant times 1 over 7. So I'm going to sort that out first. And also I note here is that 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 6 twice. So it's 4 over 9 minus half plus. The 7's cancel not so. So I'm left with 1 over 3. What's your LCM here? 18. So the sum is multiplied by 2. Gives me 8. Let's multiply that by 9. Let's multiply this by 6. So 8 minus 9, negative 1 plus 6 is 5 over 18. Any confusion there? No? The next one is a long multiplication. So make that a bit bigger. 263 multiplied by 56. As you know, you're not using a calculator in your exam. So 6 times 3 is 18, carry 1. 6 times 6 36 plus 1 is 37. It's going to give you 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Place value of 0 there, so I'm multiplying by 10s. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1 is 31. Carry the 3. 5 times 2 is 10. It's 30. Add gives me 8, 12. So it's going to give you 7, 4, 1. So it's 14,720. Who got that answer? Nice. Right, question 2. Write 1,296 is products of its prime factors. So you can use one of two ways, either the decomposition method or the ladder method. Okay, so we go ladder. Is 1,296. 2 goes into here. 6, 4, 8. 2 goes 3, 2, 4. 2 goes 1, 6, 2. 2 goes 81. 3 goes 27. 3 goes 9. 3 goes 3 goes. So 1,296, of course, can be written as 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3. Not so. There we go. Then it says, find the square root of. Okay, so what we do is we then say this is simply the square root of 2 to the 4 times 3 to the 4. As you can see, it's the same number. So what's the square root of 2 to the 4? It's going to be 2 to the 4 over 2 times 3 to the 4 over 2. That will give you 2. 4 over 2 is 2 times 3. 4 over 2 is 2. 2 squared is times, which is 6. I don't know why we gave you 1 mark there. Okay. I would have given you definitely more than. So I'll give you 2 marks, 2 or 3 marks. Quite a bit of calculation involved. Right, let's look at the next one. 2.3.1. What's the cube root of 125? 5. Cube root of 125 is 5. So it's going to be 5 minus. The square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. That will simply be 4.5 or 9 over 2 or 4.5. Okay, you all agree with that? Right, let's look at the next one. The 3 marks. First, you're going to multiply to get rid of the brackets thing. Okay. So positive times, there's no sign here, so it's positive. Positive times negative is negative 5. Negative times negative is positive 8. Negative times negative is negative times positive is. So negative 5 plus 8 is 3. 3 plus 7 is, and 10 minus 2 is. Okay. People relax. You're making a noise in the background. Next one. So what do we do first here? Okay. So let's apply the square. So negative squared is positive, 2 squared is 4, minus negative squared is positive, 3 squared is 9. So it's 4. Positive times negative is negative, 9. 4 minus 9, negative 5. You all agree with that? Alright, let's look at the next one. Question 3. Solve for x. It's a simple one, eh? And over the equal sign, so x is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5. You could have done it by inspection as well, just looking at it. Okay. Next. What are we going to do first? Get the term of the x on its own first. So you take it over the equal sign, so 2x over 3 is equal to 15 plus 1, which is 16. So what's your LCM here? 3. So multiply throughout by 3. So I'll multiply that by 3 over 1, and that by 3 over 1. 3 is cancelled, so 2x is equal to 48. Also, divided by 2, so x is equal to 24. See any confusion there? No. Okay. So look at the next one. So firstly, we're going to get the x as one side, numbers on the other side. So we've got 2x minus 6x is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 1. So 2x minus 6x negative, 4x equal to 6x minus 3x. 3x plus 1 is 4. Divide by negative 4 both sides. So x is equal to negative 1. You all agree with that? Okay. Okay, so what do we do first here? Get rid of the brackets. Not so 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 4 plus 2 equals 5x plus. Now what do we do? X is one side, numbers are other side. So it's going to be 2x minus 5x equal to 1 minus 8 minus 2. Negative 3x equal 1 minus 8. Negative 7 minus 2. Negative. Divide by negative 3 both sides. So x is 3. You all okay with that? Is there no pause the video at this point? Okay. So let's look at the next one. So Veto is 3 years older than Nikona. Together their age adds up to 17. How old is Veto? Who is younger? Nikona. So we make Nikona. We always let the younger one or the smaller one be X. So it's the corner X. Okay. So V2 is then going to be 3 years older, which is X plus 3. So together, the age is so I say X plus 3 is going to give us an answer of 17. So it's just a matter of solving for X. So 2x is equal to 17 minus 3, which is 14. 14. So X is going to be 7. So how old is V2? So the corner is X. So V2 is going to be, so therefore V2 is going to be 7 plus 3, which is 10. So she's 10 years old. Okay. Okay. Look at the next one. So consider the expression 3x squared minus 6x y minus 9y squared plus 7. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms. Not so. What separates terms? Negative and positive signs. Give the degree of the expression. The degree is the expression that has the highest exponent. Second degree. Not so. What is a constant term? 7. Constant term is a term without a variable. Not so. Sorry? Yes? Yeah. She's asking us that if that had to be negative 7, then the constant term would have been negative 7. Remember that the sign is part of the term. The sign is part of the term. Okay. Thank you for that question. Let's look at the next one. Write down the coefficient of x squared. So the number in front of x squared is 3. Yes. Yeah. Hey. She said I forgot 4.1.4. I wonder what I'm busy with. Right. Determine the value of the expression if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 1. So wherever I got the x, I put a 2. So it's going to be 3 by 2 squared minus 6 times 2 and y is negative 1 minus 9 times negative 1 squared plus 7. 2 squared of course is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 minus. There's going to be positive 12 minus 9 into. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. Not so. And positive 1 times negative 9 of course is negative 9 plus 7. Plus 12 plus 12. 24. Plus 7. 21 minus 12 9.
23.
Is it 22? So 24 plus 7 minus 9. 22 is. That's how you got. That's it. 4.2.1. Simplify. People, that's just a matter of adding like terms, not so. So 12x and negative 5x is what? 7x. 3y minus 6y. Negative 3y, which now is equal to 4xy, correct? No, why not? I like it. Nice. Next, what do you do first here? Exponent was negative to the exponent 3. Negative. Negative to any odd exponent will always be negative. Yes. 2 cubed. X to the exponent 2 times 3? 6. Remember, if something raised to a higher exponent, we multiply the exponents. Is the one on that exponent of 2. No? So, what is 2 cubed? 8. 2 times 2 times 2 was 8. Okay, any confusion there? Comes Adams, are you okay? Why you look so upset? What did you then write? No, they hiding for you. Alright. 1.3. What's the cube root of a negative number? Negative. Alright. The cube root of 27. What times what times what? A number times the same number times the same number is 27. 3. Yes. X. 27 divided by 3. 9. Now some of you would have written x to the 3. You must remember that the exponent will always be divided by that number. Okay. Right, let's go to the next one. Let's sort out the top first. What are you doing there? Multiplying. So x4 times y cubed times x squared times y4 is what? X to the 6. X to the 6 times y to the 7. Where's the more y's on top or at the bottom? Top. So it will be x6 remains on top. And y to the 7 minus 1 is? 7 minus 6 is 1. Over 1. We could have gone from this straight into there, no problem. Is there any confusion? No. Yes? 4.2.5. So people, you can simplify it straight away, but I always do is I break up first. They're going to be 12x squared over negative 4x minus 8x5 over negative 4x plus 2 over negative 4, 2 over negative 4x. What is positive divided by a negative? 4 going to 4, 1, 4 going to 12, 3 times x. 2 minus 1, 1. What's negative divided by negative? Positive. 2 going to 2 ones, 4 going into 4 ones, 4 going to 8 twice. Where's the more x? Top. Is x. 5 minus 1 is 4. Positive divided by negative is negative. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice. Is 1 over 2. Where's the more x's? Bottom. It's in the denominator. Okay. Also, do we need this? This one here? No. Okay. But if you had written a day, you wouldn't have penalized you. Okay. Am I moving too fast? No. Yes. And you guys get it? Morning, miss?
Good morning, grade 8. Could I have just 3 minutes with them?
No problems.
Grade 8, tomorrow I'm taking grade 9s up. Look at it this afternoon so that you're clear on what to study.
Okay. So what's your LCM now? 6. So what must 2 be multiplied by to get 6? 3. Will you agree with that? What must 3 be multiplied by to get 6? 2. That's 2 into x plus 6 plus, now that's naturally over 1. So 1 multiplied by what is 6? Okay. So what do I do now? Get rid of the brackets. Why didn't I drop this denominator here? But when I look back, I've dropped the denominator earlier on. Did I? Was that with the other class? Yeah. Yeah, drop the denominator. Why did I drop the denominator here? Because it was an equation. Can you see here, people? So why didn't I drop the denominator here? It's not an equation. And what do we call this? An expression. Okay. No equal sign. So get rid of the bracket on top in the numerator. It's going to give you 12x plus 9 minus 2 times x minus 2x. Negative 2 times 6. Negative 12 plus 6 times 1 is 6. So 12x minus 2x is 10x. 9 minus 12. What's 9 minus 12? Negative 3. Plus 6? Positive 3. Okay. Now you can write it over its own. But there wasn't marks allocated for this. But if you had done this, it's also fine. Okay. So let's take a score. Hello. Alright, so if you just simplify this here, sorry about that. So 2 goes into here thrice, and here 5 times, so it's going to be 5x over 3 or 5 over 3x plus 1. Okay. I don't think there was marks allocated for that. Okay. Look at the next one. The question says subtract 4x squared minus 6x minus 1 from 2x squared plus 5x minus 11. Whatever follows from you, right? First, so it's 2x squared plus 5x minus 11 minus 4x squared minus 6x minus 1. So what do I do here? Get rid of this bracket here, not so. We've got 2x squared plus 5x minus 11 minus 4x squared plus 6x minus, plus 1. Before I go further, what's the difference between the square brackets and the curve brackets? Nothing. Okay. What am I looking here now for? Like terms. I'm going to add my like terms. Not so. So what is 2x squared minus 4x squared? Negative 2x squared. What is 5x plus 6x? 11x. What's negative 11x? Negative 11 plus 1? Negative 3. Okay, you guys understand? The algebraic expression, right? Algebraic expression supposed to be expression for the following. Oh, yeah, it's only one. Okay, so a 5-meter piece of rope is divided into 2 parts. So the rope is 5 meters. Girlfriend, look here. Don't make them escape, no? That's 5 meters. Okay. One part is x. So if you make this x, what is the length of the other part? So if this whole length is 5 meters, and this is x, then this has to be xx. No, man. If this is 5 meters and this was 2, then how much is this going to be? 3. So if this is 5 and this was 4, then how much should that be? So how do we get that? We say 5 minus whatever value is here. So therefore the other piece is going to be 5 minus x. Okay, meters. Fairly simple. Bonus question. Calculate the sum of 44% of 75. So the sum is to add, no? So it's 44%, so 44 over 100 times 75 over 1. And 38 over 100 multiplied by 50 over 1. You all agree with that? So 25 goes into 75 3 times and here 4 times. Not so. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 44 11 times. So it's 11 plus No, 33. 11 times 3. It's going to be 33 over 1, which is 33. 50 goes into 50 once, 50 goes into 100 twice, 2 going into 2 once, 2 going into 38, 19 times. You all agree with that? So 33 plus 19 is 40 is 50. Okay, and that's the answer that we're looking for there. People, any problems here? What's the question paper? Easy. Okay, nice. And she's saying that. Okay, now listen, tomorrow, inshallah, we will do our paper. Have you guys completed? Did you guys answer that question paper already?